You will make about 10 decisions today. Most of them are garbage, and the ones that matter, you're probably getting those wrong too. We're taught math, history, grammar. Nobody teaches us how to decide, so we default to gut feelings, guilt, or whatever our last 5 minutes of scrolling told us to think. Here's the truth. Your life isn't the result of one big decision. It's the compound interest of 1,000 small ones. First shift. Stop treating decisions like a single moment of truth. Treat them like a skill. Skills improve with reps, feedback, and correction, not luck. Tool 1. The 10th of October 2010. Rule. Ask, how will I feel about this in 10 minutes, 10 months, 10 years? It instantly kills short-term panic decisions. Tool 2. Sort every decision into 2 buckets. Reversible. A door you can walk back through. Irreversible. A one-way door. Move fast on reversible ones. Slow down hard on the one-way doors. Tool 3. Picture yourself at 80 years old. Will you regret not trying? That single mental trick has driven some of the biggest decisions in business history, and it works just as well for your Tuesday afternoon choices. But here's the trap: more information doesn't always mean a better decision. Past a certain point, research becomes procrastination wearing a disguise. So set a deadline for every decision, a real one. When the clock runs out, you decide with what you have, because a good decision today beats a perfect decision next month. Last tool, keep a decision journal. Write down what you chose, why, and what you expected to happen. In 3 months, you'll see your own patterns, and that's where real growth hides. The 10th of October 2010. Two-way doors versus one-way doors. The 80-year-old test. Set deadlines. Journal your choices. That's it. That's the whole system. You don't need more willpower. You need a better system. Now, go make one decision right now, using it.